Hey y'all, today I'm going to be planting up one of my favorite planters, the chair planter. I got that planter last Mother's Day and it's such a fun, whimsical aspect of my yard that I ended up making 2 additional ones last summer, and I love it. And I always look forward to planting it with kind of fun, quirky designs. So I'm really excited to get started on that today. As always, make sure you hit that subscribe button and that notification bell so you know when my latest videos are up, and drop me a comment. Tell me about your favorite planter in your garden. Is it weird? Is it classic? Is it modern? What does it look like and why do you love it? Okay, let's talk about some of the plants that are going to be going in here. I am going to be working with this Proven Winners Superbena Snowstorm, and this is a verbena and it's kind of got like a lilac and white stripe on it. Absolutely beautiful, and these tend to be trailing. I'm also going to be utilizing a Proven Winners Supertunia Latte, and it kind of has like a purpley brown tone in the center. So I'm kind of going with like a purple direction here. I'm also going to be tucking in a dianthus called White Picotee, and it is purple with white edges. I'm also going to be tucking in a Munstead Lavender, and this is a perennial. All of these enjoy full sun. And then I'm going to also be tucking in this Lantana, which is a trailing purple, which is one of my favorites. I actually usually plant it in every single one of these planters all the way across the bag. And if I have a photo or a video, I'll put it up. But it is stunning. One little 4-inch plant right here becomes a waterfall of floral over the edge of each of those planters. So I'm going to incorporate it in the chair too. Since the chair won't be too far away from where the planters are, I think it'd be really pretty kind of tight in that way. I might also tuck in a few violas. I have some of these that I grew from seed. This is the Tiger Layetta, and it has some purple aspects to it. I think it's super pretty, so I think I'm going to tuck that in as well. Looks like I did finally have the Beaconsfield Super Beaconsfield is about to bloom. These over here are brushstrokes, viola brushstrokes. I cleared all of these from seed. I love them. And then these over here are, what are these called? Oh, Antique Layetta violas, which I'm actually going to be utilizing a lot of these in a fairy garden with my daughter later today. All right, so first things first, soil in there is still good. I'm going to recharge it with plant tone, and I'm going to get planting. Once again, all of these plants enjoy full sun, and this chair is going to be in full sun, and it's not going to get watered super often. I don't have it set up to a drip. I guess I probably could set it up to a drip, but for now I think that I'll just water it by hand. Okay, while I'm here, I'm also gonna go plant up these delphinium that I picked up. So the first one is Black Knight. It's dark purple, says it's perennial. It's never really ended up being a perennial in my particular zone. And then Magic Fountain Mix, which I've grown several times and really enjoyed. Never been a perennial in my zone either. Had a lot of issues with delphinium seeds this year. So I ended up getting 8 plants only from like literally 100 delphinium seeds. So I went ahead and picked up a couple of extra seedlings. So I'm just backfilling with the plant tone and then coming in and planting these. Okay, I love the idea of it. So this greenhouse will be gone soon. It only has a few more weeks till I get the rest of the seedlings planted out. So I love the idea of that little pop of red with the color, and this will all fill in with purples, a little bit of yellow. I love it under the willow tree. I think that's fun. I have 2 more chair planters that I would love to tuck back in there too. Have a collection of them over there. I think it'd be really pretty. But let's go over and take a look at the plants. Buffy is over here guarding the yard. Love climbing through my willow tree. Okay, so I think it all turned out really, really well. We had the Dianthus white pictee. We have the Supertunia latte. We have the Munstead lavender. We have Tiger Laeta violas. We have the trailing purple lantana. And we have the Superbina snowstorm. I think all of those will do really well. This is a trailing, this is a trailing. So I think that'll be really pretty on the chair. I love it, y'all. Okay, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video with the chair planter and planting the rest of the purple trailing lantana in the containers at the back of the yard, and then also getting some delphinium seedlings planted up as well. So actually it was really fun. Everything I planted today is so pretty and so whimsical, and I love that aspect for my yard. Okay. I really like sitting under the willow tree and just letting it blow around me. I think that's really fun too. Anyway, thanks for joining me today, and as always, she's a mad gardener or a decorator or anything else that she wants to be. Thanks, y'all.